Breadsticks are one of the favorite appetizers for many of us, whether it's the soft and fluffy buttery breadsticks or the light, thin, crispy, crunchy Italian grissini type breadsticks. We love it. And making breadsticks is so simple, fun, and easy. And today, let's see how to make those both types of breadsticks in a simple and easy 4-step method. So let's start by preparing the dough. This bread dough is a very basic bread dough made with only a few basic ingredients: flour, water, yeast as a leavening agent, sugar and salt to balance the taste, and a little butter to make the bread more soft and to add some flavor. So into a bowl, I'm adding some flour, yeast, sugar, and salt, and giving a good whisk to mix everything together. And then adding butter. You can also use melted butter or some oil. And then add water into this, and let's combine them together. Now I'm transferring this onto a clean work surface. And then we need to knead the dough for 6 to 8 minutes or until we get a very soft and elastic dough. Now our bread dough is ready for the shaping. So place the dough onto a lightly floured work surface and dust the top of the dough with a little more flour to prevent any chance of the dough sticking to the work surface or onto the rolling pin. And then shape it into a rectangle which is approximately 7 inches in breadth and 12 inches in length. And then with the help of a sharp knife or with the help of a pizza cutter or with the help of a scraper like this, we can cut them into strips of approximately 1 inch breadth and place them onto a non-stick baking tray or on a baking tray lined with a parchment paper. Some of you had asked me about where I bought this baking tray. I have added the link in the description box below. You can check it out. And then we need to cover them with a plastic film and leave them to puff up. So this proofing time may take around 70 to 90 minutes. Now they have puffed up nicely, and this well-proofed dough is the secret for making light, airy, fluffy breadsticks. And now they are ready to go into the oven. Here I'm going to give an egg wash on the top of it just to make them look more beautiful when they come out of the oven, to give that a shiny crust on top. And this is a totally optional step. You can skip this step according to your preference. And now they are ready to go into the oven. So bake it 400-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown in color. And when they come out of the oven, let's make them more flavorful by smearing some butter on the top of them and then sprinkling with some salt and garlic powder when they are still warm. If you don't have garlic powder, you can also use a mix of freshly minced garlic and melted butter to brush 375 Fahrenheit for 12 to 16 minutes or until they are golden brown in color. You can see these breadsticks are light, crispy, and those toasted sesame seeds gives a nice aroma to those breadsticks, and kids would definitely love this simply as a snack, or you can dip them with your favorite dipping sauce. I've added 3 different simple homemade dipping sauce recipes in the blog post where you can find the detailed recipe of these breadsticks and the printable version of this recipe. You can check the link in the description box below. I hope you found this recipe easy and helpful, and I hope you will try this at home, and I am pretty sure everybody will love it. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.